Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in previous video we have learned about the 5 languages script. We have completed vowels. In Telugu, vowels is named as Achudu, and here now we are going to learn about consonants. In Telugu it is called as Hallulu. First letter is Kha and second is Kha. First letter is pronounced lightly, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, and last letter is Nya. Next second line, first letter is Cha and next second letter is Cha. Next letter is Ja, Ja, Ini, and third line, first letter Ta, Tha, and third letter is Da, and fourth letter is Dha. Stressed, and last it is Ana, Ana. Next last line, Ta, Tha, next is Da, Dha, and next is Na. In the same way, Hindi also, first letter is Ka, second is Kha, pressing. Next is Ga, and next is Ga, Gha, last is Angha. Sorry, here is it's Ini. This is not Angha, and this is rewritten Angha. Next second line is Cha, next is Cha, third is Ja, Ja, simply Ja, and next is pressed Ja, next Ini, next third line is Ta, Tha, Da, Da, and next is Dha, Dha, and last is Ana, Ana, and next last line, first letter is Ta, next is Tha, next Da, and next is Dha, last is Na, Na, simply Na. In the same way, Malayalam also same pronunciation. First letter is Ka, and next letter is little stressed, Kha, and next letter is third letter is Ga, and the next letter is Gha, last is Anga, Ga. Next second line, first letter is Cha, Cha, and next is Cha, little stressed, Cha. Next third is Ja, Ja, and next is Ja, Ja. Next last is Nya, Nya, Nya. Next third line, first letter is Ta, next is Tha, third is Da, and the last is Dha, little stress, Dha, and is Ana, Ana. Next last line, first letter Ta, Ta, next is Tha, next is Da, next is Dha, next is Na. This in Tamil we don't have as similar, we have read like Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam. It's little different. First letter is Ik, Ik. The dot must be written Ik, and next is Ing, third is Ich, Ich, and next is Inj, Inj, next is It, It, next is En, En, next is It, It, It. Next is in the. It. In the. Next ip. And this is im. So Arabic. Next in the previous video I have uploaded few letters, that continuation letters. Next letters is fa. First letter is fa. First letter is fa and second letter is qaf. O sound, qaf. Next is ka. K. Kaf. A sound, kaf. Next letter is lam. And next is mim. And next is noon. And next is wow. So keep practicing these letters. Write each letter 20 times and be consistent in writing and learning these languages. If not, you will be not getting the letters very perfectly. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Do and keep sharing my videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.